So good day everyone. So my topic is all about of how to organize meeting with parents. So there are several ways of how to organize a meeting with parents. So uh, firstly, send a letter inviting parents for a meeting. Indicate availability for meeting to happen. So you must send a letter uh, in order for the parents to know. Then greet the parents in a positive tune like greet ka like good morning mom, good morning sir. Then express how you care about the child. That way you set the meeting. So you must express kung sa'yo dapat ilang pagamitingan. Dapat sila makabalo kung sa'yo dapat pagamitingan. So let the parents talk. Avoid interrupting them while they say their concerns. So kung mag-talk ang parents, avoid